Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's provide solution very quickly. Now here we have given a system of equation a plus b equals a 4 and a b equals 8, and we know that this is equation 1 and we know this is equation 2. In equation 1 here, we can say a plus b, okay, equals a 4 from equation 1, where I find a equals 4, then minus b, okay, as equation 3. Now we're going to take this equation 3 and replace it in equation 2, where we have value of a. If you have ab equals 8, then 4 minus ab as a, then times ab will be 8. Then 4b minus b squared equals 8. By multiplying negative on both sides, we'll have negative 4b plus b squared equals negative 8, right? Then b squared minus 4b plus 8 equals 0. Then here, what can we do? Of course, what we have right over here is quadratic equation, okay? Now we can use this formula where b squared minus 4b plus 8 equals 0. By using formula method, where b will be negative b will be 4 plus or minus square root of b squared is equal to 16 minus 4 times 8 over a 2, right? Then b will be 4 plus or minus square root of negative 16, because it's 32 over a 2. Now b will be 4 plus or minus 4i over a 2, whereas our b will be 2 plus 2i, like this, plus or minus. Now we know if you have b1 equals 2 plus 2i, then here we know our a equals 4 minus a b, okay? Whereas here I have b2, which is equal to 2 minus 2i. Then here a1 will be 4, then minus 2 plus 2i. Then a1 will be 4 minus 2 minus 2i. a1 will be a 2 minus 2i. So the solution set here, we will have 2 minus 2i, while b will be 2 plus 2i as a, whereas as b, okay? For second equation here, a2 will be 4 minus b. Then a2 here will be 4 minus a 2 minus 2i. a2 will be 4 minus a 2 plus 2i. Then a2 will be a 2 plus a 2i. So solution set here will provide as 2 plus 2i is a, where b is equal to 2 minus 2i. This is simply as a and this as b. Thanks for watching. Don't forget share and subscribe.